Identify all known risks. Determine, are they a low probability, a high probability, a low risk, medium, or high risk? Document all that information here. You can also use this matrix to document issues that arise during the course of the project. Again, the probability, the risk, mitigation factors, how is it going to impact your project, what are you going to do to see it to the end, how is it going to help you be successful. All that can be documented here on this single page. Information collected here will be included in the dashboard summary for executive review. This concludes our chapter on risk analysis and issue tracking.